This 5-minute solution will show you how to make LinkedIn account completely private. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to make your LinkedIn account private. First of all, open your LinkedIn and tap on your profile photo at the top left and tap on settings. Tap on visibility. Tap on profile viewing options. And to make your LinkedIn account completely private, select private mode. And after doing this, no one will be able to find you on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.